Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am going to deliver my lecture number 15. Subject is in English language. Essay, A Rainy Day. The sky was dark and overcast with clouds. It had been raining from the night before, and there was no sign that it would stop. I thought my Sunday would be quite ruined as it poured outside. I settled down by the window to watch the rain. The green park opposite my house looked even more green and fresh. The branches of the all trees waved frighteningly. Some bent down so much in the strong wind that I thought that they would break. There were very few people out on the roads, wrapped in raincoats and carrying umbrellas. I spent the afternoon listening to music and to the downpour outside. It was not a bad day after all.